Your xorkee handle is your unique digital identity, like a username that lets you sign, verify, and authenticate digitally without dealing with complex certificate details. If you don't have your DSC in a crypto token, you can still sign with the same level of security using xorkee right from the convenience of your Android phone. xorkee securely generates a key pair on your device combined with your phone's biometric authentication, providing the highest form of security. In this video, let us see how to register xorkee on an Android phone. Open the Google Play Store and search for xorkee. Install the xorkee app. Once installed, open the app. It will display a brief welcome screen. A pop-up will appear asking your permission to allow xorkee to send you notifications. Tap Allow. You will see two registration options. Choose Phone to register in xorkee by creating a key pair on your mobile phone. Enter your desired xorkee handle. It can include letters, numbers, and some special characters like underscore, @ dot, or an hyphen. Tap Register and authenticate it using your fingerprint. Your handle is now successfully registered with xorkee. You can now start signing, authenticating, and communicating securely with xorkee. We recommend adding a nominee at the earliest so you can retrieve your handle in case of any accidental loss and enjoy uninterrupted service.